I have updated my grease pencil texture process for Blender 5.2. I added 30 new processes to the pack, and the pack now has 200 texture processes. All processes have been updated to the new settings. That means when you start drawing, you get a new material added to the material panel that has a lot of new settings to tweak. For instance, you can play with the spacing of the textures, alignment and rotations, size, strength, color and noise scale, and they all get updated in real time. Many of these settings were previously used in the Stroke Randomize tab, which meant you had to test the settings each time you changed them, and that could take you a lot of time to get just right. You can still use the old way if you want, and you can use both of these randomizers together to get more effects out of a brush. Another update I'm really excited about is that most brushes now support stroke, fill, and both modes. Brushes with a F in the thumbnail show if the brush supports fill texture. Fill textures automatically support stroke modes. This adds up to 300 different variants to play with. Some brushes are really in the state I'm truly happy about. And when you combine these brushes with masking, modifiers, and other grease pencil effects, you can draw and animate almost anything. I also updated the instruction PDF. Go get the updated pack and try it out. Be sure to use Blender 5.2 or more. Happy summer and see you next time.